How many people notice their jeans bent? The tiny metal thing on the pockets of jeans may have escaped most people's notice. These copper buttons are called rivet buttons. These buttons are very important in jeans and have an interesting story of origin, as you are about to discover. Rivets are used in the making of jeans as a necessity and not a styling tool. In the 1870s, jeans were worn by mining laborers. When they are working, they used to carry heavy tools in their pockets. Due to the pressure of carrying heavy tools, their pockets were torn easily. So the laborers changed their jeans frequently. The company went to the tailor who is stitching their jeans to find the solution. The tailor's name was Jacob W. Davis from the United States. He observed the jean pant where the tear took frequently. He found the weak points of the pant. Finally, he came up with the solution of adding rivets to the pockets. Rivets are made of metal and they give strength and durability to the fabric. So he added copper rivets to the end of the jeans pocket. Copper rivets are heavy duty and well known for rust proof. The idea of using rivets to reinforce clothing was successful. After this, Jacob W. Davis thought to patent his idea of rivets adding to the jeans pocket. Jacob didn't have enough money to patent this. In 1872, he approached Lewis requesting for partnership, as it was already established enterprise that was operating in many regions. In 1873, Lewis took partnership with Jacob and together applied and got a patent for improvement in fastening of pocket openings. In 1890, the patent went into the public domain so that any clothing manufacturer could use them. Fast forward to today, the rivets in jeans are still there. That's why the jeans you are wearing today having more strength and long last. If you want to listen to this video in Telugu, please click the link given in the description. I hope you like this video. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.